Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. Today we've got an unboxing from Amazon. I'm not sure how many watches are in this box, but we're going to get into it, open it up, and go through these watches. Before I get started, shouting out to my current subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Do appreciate everything. All the likes, subscribes, all the love you guys show me on this channel really helps this channel grow. If you are new here, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that concept, please do consider giving that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always helps out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman. Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Rumble, and themselves.To, where I showcase all of the watches that I do review here on this channel and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick those up for yourself if you want. But without further ado, let's get into this unboxing today and see what kind of watches I have here. I'm always ordering watches and always have new watches coming in. So let's check out what we got in the box. Okay, it looks like we've got 3 watches in this box, and one of them is obviously an Invicta. Very nice packaging on this one. Let's see, what else do we got here? We've got a Citizen, an Invicta. Oh, guys. This is a special edition Seiko. I know which one this is. This is another special edition Seiko. I don't know if you saw my other video where I did the special edition Seiko with the penguin feet on it, but this is another one. It's another special edition watch by Seiko. So anyways, we've got 3 watches here. We've got the Citizen, the Seiko, and the Invicta. Which one do you guys think I should open up first? Let's go with the Invicta. I'm definitely curious to see what's in this case. So, oh wow, guys, it's a nice watch. Now, I don't know if you've bought any Invictas before or seen the way they come packaged, but typically you get them in a box like this. It's a cardboard box. So not sure what makes this one different with this really nice box. But let's see here, we've got, and I will be going over each one of these watches individually. This is just an unboxing, so I'm not going to go into too many details with these watches. But just in line with Invicta, this watch is very heavy. Really nice watch though. It's got a nice smooth silicone band on this thing. I will be posting a link to this in the description below. That's a really nice tight bezel. Okay, so this watch right here is the Invicta 22523. The price point on this watch is actually a lot less than you would expect. It's around $75 on Amazon right now. And like I said, I will post a link to this in the description below so you guys can head on over and pick it up or even check it out on the website. But it is a really nice weighted watch. It feels good. It's just it's more of a subdued look as opposed to a bold gold color. It's more of a matte type of a finish with the looks like the brushed stainless look to the case. Really nice watch. It boasts 100 meters of water resistance. This one does have the VK63A caliber movement in it, which is a Japanese movement. So it does have a good quality movement in it. It does have the date format over at the 4 o'clock position. And it does have the 3 working sub-dials, which is the 60-minute, 60-second, and the 24-hour sub-dial. They're all working. This one does have the stopwatch function, where you operate it up here. You can start and stop the stopwatch and then snap it right back to 0 when you're done. Let's see if we can get the, let's get that out of the way so you can kind of see that. So it actually moves forward, then you stop it, and you can kind of snap that back to 0. But like I said before, 100 meters of water resistance, and the flame fusion crystal. It's a very nice looking watch, but like I said, I will be going into a little more detail on this when I do its individual review. But for now, that's what we're looking at for the Invicta. Very nice watch for roughly $75. And like I said, I will post a link to that in the description below so that you guys can head on over and pick that one up for yourself. Next up, we have the Citizen watch. And I can't remember which one I actually ordered here. So let's take a look at this. Oh yeah, this is a really nice one. This is a little smaller. So better for a smaller wrist. Does come with the guarantee in the pillow box. This one is like I said, it's a smaller one. But it does have, this is a silicone band, but it's a very sturdy silicone. This is I like how they did that on the side there, because if you wear a watch with a silicone band, sometimes it tends to, when your arm starts to sweat, it gets kind of uncomfortable. Well, looks like it's ventilated, and it's also got these waves in the band itself, which actually prevent moisture from accumulating. Ooh, that's a really satisfying click on that. It's like a thud as opposed to a real snippy type of a click. It's kind of more like a thud, which is very comfortable feeling. It looks like they've got some sort of a wave pattern on the dial, and I really do like that. It almost looks like a fluorescent green illuminated type of second hand. These hands are really striking. I really like what they did with the hands on this watch. Very, very distinct for each one. Once again, date position over at the 4 o'clock position. This is the Citizens ProMaster BN016300H. And this watch is currently retailing for somewhere around $200 on Amazon. I don't see anything on the box that indicates. Actually, there is a suggested retail on the box for $395. So right now you can get a really, really good deal on this on Amazon at $200. It's roughly $200. I can't remember what the exact price was, but that's a really good price for a $400 suggested retail watch. Like I said, we'll be doing a deeper review on this in the next few days, so definitely stay tuned for that. But off the top, it's got the Eco Drive movement. It's got a hardened mineral crystal and a screw down crown. Very, very nice watch, and Citizen makes a great quality watch, so you're getting something good with this watch. So definitely click on that link below and check it out. Head on over to Amazon, take a look at the listing, and see if you guys want to pick one of these things up. So, okay, and the third watch in the haul today is going to be the much anticipated, at least by me, the much anticipated special edition Seiko Prospects. These watches are really, really good. Like I said, I just did a video on the the Arctic Penguin Prospects, which had the penguin feet, and what a beautiful watch. What a beautiful watch. These special editions are really good. This one also is a special edition which supports and promotes ocean exploration. And let's see what we got here. Very, very nice, nicely packaged. I mean, these are very nice for the special edition. Shows you what they support. Looks like a warranty card and a that you download the instruction manual for these. Shows about some of the turtles, because this is a turtle watch. The other one was a penguin watch. So this one supports the ocean. Oh, wow. Wow, guys. Wow. It just takes my breath away. They do such a great job with these watches, guys. This is supposed to look like the shell of a turtle. It's supposed to the shell of a wet shell of a turtle. I believe that's what they're supposed to be going for on this one. But this one does have the day-date format on it. So you do have the day window and the date window. Let's see if we can get it to change there. It looks like it's got it in Japanese and also in English. So very nice format on the day-date. Sweeping second hand on this thing. I do believe this has the this is a self-winding automatic. I do believe this is a Hardlex crystal on this. But really, really nice movement on this bezel. Very tight, very nice movement. Let's see here. Does that have the exhibition? No exhibition case, but it's got the it looks like a sea turtle. Or no, it's just the ocean. Oh, it does have a sea turtle on the back there. So very nice watch. Now the thing with this watch is it's ISO scuba approved at 200-meter depth. So this is a very good watch. Now the price on this exceeds that budget-friendly range by quite a bit. This watch currently is retailing for $562. It also comes with a second band. But yes, $562 currently right now on Amazon. And this one actually has the sapphire crystal, guys. This is regularly $750. And right now you can pick this thing up on Amazon for roughly 560 bucks. I will post a link to this in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so it does send a couple of dollars over to me if you decide to pick it up. It doesn't cost you anything more. The price is what you pay. The only difference is I actually get a small commission if you decide to buy it through my affiliate link. So that is much appreciated. But anyhow, this is not a Hardlex crystal. This is actually a sapphire crystal on this thing. And just a very wonderful looking watch. I mean, it looks a lot better than I can get it to look on the camera, but you can kind of see those, you know, those lines in the background, and it's supposed to be inspired by the look of a tortoise shell or a turtle shell, sea turtle shell, and just a very, very nice looking watch. These special edition Seikos are wonderful, wonderfully crafted, wonderfully designed watches. So if you are in the market to pick one of these things up, like it says right there, the suggested retail is $750 on this thing, and you're going to save about $200 if you click on that link below and head on over to Amazon. Very, very nice, nicely constructed watch. So I do have three great watches that came in on this haul. I've got the Invicta, I've got the Seiko Special Edition, and this wonderful Citizen's watch. These are all three great watches. So I will post links to all of them in the description below, so you can head on over and pick these up. And like I said before, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, even though this one kind of comes out of that budget-friendly range just a bit, but these Seiko special edition watches are wonderful. So I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, please do consider giving that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always helps out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and themselves.To, where I showcase all of the watches that I do review on this channel and provide affiliate links so you can pick those up and wear them for yourself. So once again, I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Stay tuned, because I will be doing individual reviews on each one of these watches coming up in the next couple of days. And I also have a whole lot more watches on the way, so definitely stay tuned to the channel. So I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. You guys have a great day.